In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on eBay. If you shop across international listings, seeing prices in your own currency makes comparing deals faster and helps you avoid mental math. eBay has a built-in converter right on the search results page, and it only takes a few clicks to turn it on. Start on any eBay results page. After typing your search term, you'll land on a grid or list of items. Look toward the top of the results where eBay shows the sorting menu labeled Best Match. Immediately next to that label, you'll see a small icon that controls how results are displayed. It may look like a gear, sliders, or a setting symbol depending on your browser. Click the icon next to Best Match to open the display options. A small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Customize. This opens a panel that lets you tailor what you see in the results, including the currency display. Take a second to scan the options so you know what's available, but we'll focus on the currency setting. Inside the Customize panel, find the option called Convert Prices To. Click on it to reveal the currency choices and select the currency you prefer to see while browsing. This doesn't change the seller's listing currency. It simply converts and displays an estimate based on current exchange rates. Keep in mind that final charges at checkout can vary slightly due to your payment provider, exchange timing, or any applicable taxes and shipping set by the seller. Once you've chosen your currency, click on Apply Changes. The results page will refresh and show prices converted to your selected currency. Often you'll see the converted amount prominently with the original currency displayed in smaller text for reference. As you continue to filter, sort, or open listings, eBay will keep using your chosen display currency for that session. If you don't see the settings icon or the customize option, make sure you're on a search results page rather than a specific product page, and consider using a desktop browser where this control is easiest to find. Availability can vary by region and site version, so options may look slightly different. That's all there is to it. Click the icon next to Best Match, select Customize, choose Convert Prices To, and then Apply Changes. Now you can browse confidently with clear, consistent pricing in the currency that makes sense for you.